Very good morning, everybody. And the war in Ukraine has started. अभी अपने कोविड के करप्शन को छुपाने के लिए ये दुनिया के लीडर वॉर शुरू करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर. द वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर इज प्रिटी ट्रिकी. तो बराबर अब ये स्टैंडर्ड है. ये वॉर अभी कहां से आएगी सडनली, क्योंकि कोविड खत्म हो गया, इतना सब पैसा छापा. They don't want to tell that it was because of all that the economy is crashed. Now they have to blame it on a war now. So that is a standard setup that happens. कम से कम दुनिया का गेम तो थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आना शुरू हो गया. The whole world is a game and you are participating in a game. But all those who are in a short trade, I am in short positions. Yesterday I created short positions. So these are my short positions. So I will be happily booking my profit in the morning. अभी बोलता है यस सर गेम समझ में आ रहा है. गेम है, इट्स अ गेम. The whole world is just a game. So let's see. But then you have to understand, when the market opens 500 points down, it is opening more or less around this level. This is 289. This is 500. It is opening at a perfect double bottom. So we will find some long opportunities in this. All those who are part of the investors club, I've just written buy 10% more for your portfolio. Every crash dip becomes an opportunity to buy some quality stocks. Now, Akash, which cut first in a call hedge, a call or a future? Take off the future first, Akash, and then take off the call today. दोनों साथ में भी निकाल सकते हो, पर स्टार्ट में ध्यान रखना स्प्रेड ज्यादा होता है, वोलेटिलिटी रहती है. सो प्लस कीप एन आई, यदि ऊपर जा रहा है नीचे जा रहा है. So that is another thing that we will see in the start. But one thing is for sure, I'll book some profits now. I also have a strategy here that I will probably book my profit into. Province have bought put of Indus IND Bank yesterday. So let's see where the market opens and how the market will keep an eye on a 5-day 1-minute chart. That is the chart we'll keep an eye on and see. So there is an equal chance of a recovery or a thrash back. So equal chance, market might recover or it might move on. Directional neutral strategies will not work in this environment. Saurav Agrawal, you have to be very patient there. This is at least one environment where they don't work. Okay, so 30 more seconds before the market opens. So let's keep an eye on the market. In the start, in the options, remember the spreads are bad. The first 1 minute, 2 minutes, spreads are bad in the options. So I'm getting ready for my trades in the next 10 minutes, guys. So the market has opened now and square off. All my trades are in process. In the start, they are in process here. This is fully executed and the market gave me 1,23,000. Not bad. Now here on this, let me see what did I get. Here on this, I'm getting 11,000. So I'll square it off. That is there. And then I have 15,000 rupees here. So my profit in the morning is 50, just a minute. Here I have 15,000 and 11,000. So that makes it 16,000. And here in this account, I booked a profit of 1,23,000. So that's the bonus the market has given me, right? So what is the next trade so I've made about 1 lakh and about 50,000 rupees now. So what was your book profit today, guys? किसका कितना book profit था in a market that has crashed down? Akash booked 7,000, Sanjay Praveen 15,000, Sanjay Agarwal 12,000, Zuradar 29,000. Okay, Arvind 50,000, Gurmeet Aluwalia 23,000, Shailesh 16,000 profit. So today our trading room is rocking. I booked a profit of 1,23,000, guys. So that is the profit that you guys have booked. And congratulations. तो वो होता है ना कि मार्केट में बहुत सारी बारिश के बाद छुट्टी हो जाती है. सो अब मुझे तो लगता है आप ट्रेडिंग रूम की आज छुट्टी कर देनी चाहिए. Everybody has booked such good profits now. So 1,23,000 rupees is what is there. And I'll immediately convert half of that into a long term. Arvind says, अब छुट्टी है सर, अब मार्केट का मूव देखेंगे बस. Exactly here. So that's what is very important to understand. VIX has reached 30. Now is the time to look for oversold stocks. Now, if I pick up here, let's look at this is the market. Now, a lot of people will see it as an opportunity. They will see it as an opportunity to go for, to look for. And when you get such good profits, it's not every day that the market gives you a bonus like this, then it is very important that you don't trade after this. You stop your trading. My expected profit was 5,000. The market has given me 1,23,000 rupees. So it's important I don't do anything now in this market and look for nice buying opportunities. Look for nice buying opportunities into the market. Okay, guys. So that's a good profit we got from the trade that we did yesterday. And let's look at the market. Market is not yet done. Market is not yet done. So market tried to rise, but with I think you will see further downside into the market. The options would be very expensive right now. You've all made good profits, so just wait for the market. If it can go down 400 points, it can also go down 500 points. So keep an eye on the VIX, keep an eye on the market, and I think you can maybe look for the Yogi Express to trade long and short. Yeah. So for the moment, there is no sign of any recovery, guys. Any stocks you want me to see for you, please let me know. Kaushik says, can we expect still crash? Yes. Whenever there is a war situation, the markets normally correct. And our market का correction कितना होगा? अभी आप देखिए, अभी market का बहुत बड़ा correction नहीं हुआ है. Look at the correction of the market here. The market has corrected from 18,590 now to 1954. So 1954 divided by 18,590 into 100. So this is just a 10% correction so far. I think 20% would be a healthy correction. 20% would be a healthy correction that we can be looking at. So draw your levels on this. So if you look at the Fibonacci levels here on this, and let's consider this move. ये वाला मूव पकड़ लेते हैं. ये मूव का भी जो रिट्रेसमेंट हुआ है, now if you see, this is a new mouse, I think this is fine. If you see here, the market has corrected almost 50% of the move once here. And in this would be a deep correction. So this would be the nearby target of the market, 15,888, almost 16,000. I think 16,600 points down more would be the level for the market for the moment. That's what we are looking. And if it breaks this level, keep an eye on this level. Ye level break here. So 14,300 looks to be the level. I think this could be a good level to enter into the portfolio properly, about 14,300. I don't think we are a bad market. We are a good market. Country is doing good. But a healthy correction of about 20% would be welcome. Because from here to here, if you see how much is the correction, let's analyze our market. Even if it comes, that is 4226. So 4226 divided by 18,590. That's all. That's a nice 22% correction. That would be a 22% correction that we are looking at. And this is a double bottom. You see, this is a very proper double bottom. So you'll find some stops here, which will move on. So market holding around this level now. That's the level we are looking for in the market. VIX has already reached 30. And what was 30 oversold, sell everything and buy good stocks. So this would be a time to add some stocks to the portfolio. VIX has jumped up to the level of 30. So let's spend some more time trying to find some good stocks for the portfolio. Okay, give me your stocks, guys. Let me check your stocks, then I will close. आज छुट्टी करते हैं. बढ़िया सा प्रॉफिट आ गया है of a nice 1,23,000. So I think out of which half I have converted into long-term exchange traded funds, which I will do DP to margin to do an option strategy. So that's how it works. Okay, so let's see. Yogesh wants to know about India Bull Housing Finance. Rajiv wants to know about HLE class code. So let's look at your stocks. HLE Glass Coat Limited. See here, this stock, after a gap down, is hovering around this level, and it has got strength into it. इसमें आज मार्केट के इतने गिरने के बाद भी ये नहीं गिरा है. So there is a high chance it will go up and fill the gap. Then India Bull Housing Finance. I think there were raids on their offices, if I remember right. And this one is coming on a double bottom. And it is not really coming on a double bottom, it is breaking the double bottom on the downward side. इसने नीचे की तरफ डबल बॉटम को तोड़ना शुरू कर दिया है. So the weakness is persisting, and I think a good target for this would be about 90 rupees, maybe. 90 rupees can be a good target, Yogesh, for India Bull Housing Finance. Then Hemant wants to know about HDFC. So HDFC, if we see here, HDFC is oversold, and this is a stock that has corrected significantly. So if somebody wants, they can start buying little, but I'll still wait for this level to be broken, and maybe this could be a good level to buy about 2000. 2000 can be a good level to buy. Akash wants to buy Maruti. So, and Maruti, we see Maruti is still a buy. Maruti is very much a buy, Akash. So, Maruti looks a pretty good buy, and it has got a lot of strength. Even in this market, it is doing pretty well if you see Maruti. So Maruti is pretty okay, but try to go with the flow of the market. Praveen says NTPC. NTPC. So, do you know in NTPC they don't have any computers? Do you know why? In NTPC they have no computers. Just say, who will tell me? In NTPC they don't use any computers. So let's see who's the first. Kaun pehla aadmi? Because they are NTPC, exactly. That's why they don't use any company. This is a dad joke. So that's why will everybody be having a laptop there? Okay, that's a question to ponder. Praveen says we love your jokes. My younger son loves my jokes. He said, "Dad, your jokes are good." But the elder one, he says, "What the hell is this, Dad? You can't be on so low intellectual. The moment you give a joke like this, your IQ drops down." I have an IQ of about 145. He said, "Your IQ dropped down from 145 to 70." अभी आकाश बोला सर प्रॉफिट आ रखा हो तो कोई भी जोक अच्छा लगता है. Great guys. So I think today avoid longs for the moment. Avoid longs at this moment into the market. The VIX is pretty high. So what I will do is immediately as the class finishes, I'll be executing a delta neutral strategy. I'll be doing a cat here immediately as this finishes, and take advantage of the very high implied volatility, which is at this point. But for the moment, market is not showing any sign of a recovery. So take care, work on this. And those who have not yet been a part of the advanced options course, please do that, because today also for my portfolio, I earned close to about 11, 20, 30, 35, 5,000 from the portfolio and immediately converted that. So that's very important to understand. So if you have not done the advanced options course, please do it. Great, guys. So that's from my side today. Aaj chutti baki time. Relax, enjoy. Thank you very much, and God bless you.